What is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. This tutorial provides a step-by-step guide on how to reactivate your DoorDash Dasher account in 2024. If your account has been deactivated and you want to appeal the decision, this guide will walk you through the process and offer practical tips to increase your chances of success. So let's begin. First, open any web browser you want to use to reactivate your account, like Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, Brave browser, or any browser you feel comfortable using. After you open any web browser, type in the search bar DoorDash Reactivation. After you type DoorDash Reactivation, search for it. The reactivation for DoorDash should be like this, as you can see on the screen. After that, tap this link where it says How to Appeal Dasher Account Deactivation. While we are inside of this link, scroll down until you find the Appeal Form button. But before we proceed, I prefer you read all the instructions from the link you click before we proceed, so that you will fully understand how to reactivate your account in DoorDash. After reading the instructions, tap the Appeal Form. From here, select the language you prefer. After you choose your preferred language, tap Submit. From here, type your email address that you reactivated. After typing your reactivate email, choose an option here on why you reactivate your DoorDash account. I will choose a random choice so that we proceed. After you choose an option, tap on Next. From here, just fill up all the info that needs to be filled. After you fill up the form, tap on Submit. Reactivating your DoorDash Dasher account requires gathering the right information, submitting a well-crafted appeal, and being patient throughout the process. By following the steps, you can increase your chances of successfully reactivating your account. If you encounter difficulties, don't hesitate to reach out to DoorDash support for further assistance. Good luck! If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.